Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Wettok Market. Ticker symbol is WTO. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Wettok Market token. So Wettok.com is their official webpage. On CoinMarketCap, you can find the price chart, contract address, block explorer webpage. Full white paper is listed on here. They also have a Twitter and Telegram listed on here as well. Token price is 3.1 cents. This token is up 1.54% today. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the WTO token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their BSC scan webpage, white paper all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. So according to their BSC scan, they have a total supply of 3 billion tokens. Right now they have 7,232 holders, so they're doing very well. 10,460 transfers and 18 decimal places on this token. So Wettok is a decentralized finance yield optimizer project that allows its users to make more crypto with crypto. DeFi applications are unique in the sense that they are permissionless and trustless, meaning that anyone with a supported wallet can interact with them without the need for a trusted middleman. Wettok caters to users by making it easy to get a yield on their crypto capital in a safe and decentralized manner. Through a set of smart contracts and several investment strategies, Wettok automatically maximizes the user rewards from various liquidity pools, automated market-making projects, and other yield farming opportunities in the DeFi ecosystem. Wettok offers complex strategies that are simple and intuitive for many investors to take part in through the Wettok market offerings on the platform. With this inherent advantage of speed and low fees with Binance Smart Chain, the team is exploring new methods of optimizing automation to secure the largest yields available. The project consists of an anonymous team directly inspired by the yield optimization projects that have been deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. We are committed to this idea of radical transparency, which is especially important in nascent ecosystems like decentralized finance. From all the vaults deployed on every blockchain, Wettok has its native governance token WTO at its core. So WTO is a BEP20 token that is built on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain in addition to being a utility token and providing liquidity, holding, and trading incentives. WTO token is designed to facilitate and incite the decentralized governance of the protocol. WTO has a total supply of 3 billion, of which a selected portion will be streamed to early backers. Much of the supply is locked up and will be released over a number of years and can be earned by providing liquidity to Wettok native pools over a number of years and can be earned by providing LP to the native pools. So token details here, it's a utility and governance token. BEP20 token, And yeah, max supply is 3 billion. So public sale price, it says with 3 cents. So it's just a little bit over 3 cents now. So it's almost the same. Token distribution, it says both of our seed and private sale rounds are distributed over many different participants. By distributing our seed, private, and public sales, we are trying to create the most fair token distribution on launch possible with no single entity holding large quantities of the supply. 16% of the tokens go to community incentives, 15% go to core team, 5% advisors, 5% seed sale, 10% pre-sale, 15% circulating supply, and 34% goes to network growth fund. Now, so this does give you voting power. The roadmap is on here as well. So stage 1 of the roadmap is going to be publishing white paper, marketing or marketplace framework, technical framework, and seed sale. Then launching the Web3, starting marketing, pre-sale, community sale, then launch smart contract, listing on PancakeSwap, staking, then listing on CoinMarketCap. So that's what we just had here, is this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. And then we got real-time data and chart pair search analysis toolbox and transaction overview. So next year, stage 2 is going to be Pool Explorer, Pair Explorer, Score Pair, Wettok Wallet will come out, manage your portfolio, send and receive coins and tokens, follow the market, and then Wettok Exchange and their own token swap, Ethereum DApp integration, and then Solana DApp integration. Then liquidity pools, lending pools, multi-chain, and buyback and burn. And then stage 3, which is going to be the following year, in 2024 and 2025, will be enterprise marketplace, decentralized non-custodial data marketplace, customizable for data providers, deployed with a strategic enterprise partner, and payment gateway. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token and this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And make sure you guys check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy to navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.